Ayun mga katrops, so ituloy lang tayo dito sa ating sugod bahay series. Andito tayo ngayon sa Country Meadows.
Oh yes.
At susugurin natin itong bahay na ito mga katrops. Yan. Let's go. Let's check it. Wait for me. This is the mga katrops, yung bahay na to. I like it. Ayan. Ito yung may entrance na mga katrops. Ito yung pintuan. Tapos papasok ka dito. Yan. Yan yun. Ang ganda pala nito yung bahay na to eh. Malaki yung kusina. Tapos ito yung parang sala. Ito yung kainan yung mga katrops. Hello! Oh wow! Look! Let's go inside. Oh, ito yung backyard. Malaki yung backyard dito mga katrops. Yeah. How much mamak? 700 Canadian dollar. No, 700,000 Canadian dollars. Yan, magaling nito oh. Tapos mayroon pang art yung pantry nila mga katrops oh. Yeah. Look at this. See?
Snack pantry.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, the fridge over there. Let's go upstairs now mga katrops. Let's go, come on. Just slowly, okay? No, let's go. Galing nitong bahay ng mga katrops ha. Ayan. Hey, may chandelier pa. Ayan. Go. Oh, like this is like another living room here, mga katrops. Master bedroom. Nice. Oh, Marley, your favorite? Your walk about what's that? Walk-in closet? Yeah, you can walk in there, right? Nice. Wow, look at that. What are you doing there?
Nani?
Go down. Hey,
Tree.
hey. Be careful, be careful.
And look, a shower.
Yeah, you got a shower over there.
That's the
Nice.
master bedroom.
What else, Dime? What's this, Dime? This one. Oh, this is the laundry. Laundry room, mga katrops.
Bonus room.
Yeah, bonus room. No, another washroom over here. What, Kathleen? Oh, this for you. For baby room, Kathleen. Do you like it, baby? Yeah, nursery room to mga katrops. So, pero pwede mo na itong gawing kwarto kasi malaki naman itong nursery room nila eh. Yeah. Oh, ito yung another room. Nice. Oh, look at that. You can go there. Yeah, I know it. Oh, very nice. Peekaboo.
I want to be in the channel.
Yeah, okay, come on. Nice.
Hey,
Yeah.
Mark! This is
Very
my
nice.
room.
This is your room. Very nice. So, yun mga katrops, itong bahay na to ay 700,000 Canadian dollars. So, kung nagbabala kayo bumili ng bahay, recommended ko to kasi medyo maayos tong bahay na to at bagong community to nasa Country Meadows. Yan. So, hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa 700,000 Canadian dollars. Stay tuned!